In the meantime, the country remains open to the possibility of conducting joint oil and gas explorations in the West Philippine Sea with China. The palace says that under President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s leadership, the government will be sincere and committed to enter any negotiation it deems beneficiary to the nation's interest. This was in response to the Chinese embassy's statement that China can consider entering into a joint oil and gas exploration with the Philippines if the country shows that it is sincere.
Unang-una po, hindi po kailanman naging hindi sincere ang bansang Pilipinas. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon, sa lahat ng okasyon, ang Pilipinas ay laging sincere sa pakikipag-usap, pakikipagnegosasyon, lalong-lalo na sa pamumuno po ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Wala po siyang secret deal. So, kung ano man po ang maaaring idulot ng anumang negosasyon at ito ay magiging maganda para sa Pilipinas, yan naman po ay hindi tututulan ng Pangulo.